Hi everyone. Tonight I'll be fixing air fryer bacon wrapped sirloin. What all do you need for the air fryer bacon wrapped sirloin? 2 bacon wrapped sirloins, 4 to 6 ounces. This is a little bit over a pound. Olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Optional, blue cheese butter, garlic herb butter, or garlic butter. I made some homemade garlic butter. I'll lay the link down below. But you don't have to have any of this at all if you don't want to. So let's begin. Pat the steaks dry. Then coat the top and the bottom of each steak with olive oil. This one's quite a bit smaller than the other one. It's going to get done sooner. Then season with the salt and pepper to taste. I like lots of pepper. That one's mine. Transfer the steaks into the basket. Make sure they're not overcrowded. Turn your temperature to 380 for 10 to 12 minutes, depending on your desired doneness. You'll need an instant read meat thermometer. And generally, if you want medium, it'll take about 12 minutes, 6 minutes on each side. But we'll check it at the halfway mark and flip them over. So let's flip them over. And I'm losing the bacon on that one. And let's see what the temperature is. I need to make sure they're not touching. Okay, so it's only 59, 60. It's got a ways to go. And put them back in. So the bacon wrapped sirloin steaks just came out of the air fryer after 21 minutes. A little bit thicker than what the recipe called for, so I had to cook it longer. To medium, the way we like it. We're going to let it rest for 5 minutes so it'll be a more tender steak, and then we'll dish it up and Dave can do a taste test. And while it's resting, you can put some of the garlic butter on if you'd like. So here is the bacon wrapped sirloin steak that I cooked in the air fryer. Rounding out the meal is mashed potatoes and gravy and honey carrots. Let's see what Dave thinks. Is that done?
Mm-hmm. Yep, that's really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.